Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Adult drink pouches are on the menu today. Now, we can call them adult drink pouches, adult Capri Suns. We can call them whatever we want to call them. But the bottom line is, it's a screwdriver, vodka, and OJ, Margarita with Tequila, and a strawberry Hennessy. So, strawberry mix with some Hennessy, baby. Now, let me tell y'all. So I'm looking for a consistency just like that. That is perfect. All right, so what we want to do at this point is we want to get it poured into the pouches, and while we're waiting, we want to get those pouches into the freezer. Now, it's an important part of any food or drinks especially, but food too. You want to make sure you taste it. You have enough liquor. Is the consistency the way you want it? Can you taste the other ingredients? So in this case, can you taste the strawberry? Absolutely. So if this is it and this is what you want, go with this, pour it into the pouches, and move on to the next flavor. That's good. I took another spoon of it, so you know damn well it's good. Okay, people. All right. So let's start filling up the bags. Now, the first thing I did think about right here was using that funnel that came with it. So that was my grand idea at the time. Hey, I'll use this funnel, but I started looking at that hole right there and realized that I made a slushie. No freaking way. No way. I'll be all night trying to push slushie down in there, so nope. Can't go wrong with any of these. You best believe these are delicious. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. As always, I appreciate you. Hit that like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.